Hey, what's going on? My name is Ryan. I'm one of the master certified technicians here at Ed Martin Toyota. Today we're going to be installing a off-road trail pipe from our TRD accessory catalog. Let's get it started. All right, so there's a couple benefits to putting this trail pipe on here. So if you come down here and check this guy out, so this is our OEM exhaust pipe positioning. So this is about 17 inches off the ground. So you're gonna have a little bit of a clearance issue if you're coming off of a large obstacle or something like that. You're gonna smack up on the bottom of this exhaust pipe. You could crush the exhaust pipe, or if you don't want it to scrape or make any crazy noise, this is a great solution to get rid of that exhaust pipe there. We're gonna position it before the axle, which eliminates that departure angle issue with our OEM exhaust. In addition to that, our spare tire also is our lowest point. If you pair our trail pipe with our bed mounted spare tire carrier, you can get a lot of departure angle addition if you're looking into getting over some large obstacles through Tacoma. Let's go ahead and get this exhaust put on. So for those wanting to DIY this, it is very possible. It's only 2 exhaust bolts here, as well as undoing a couple of exhaust hangers for your pipe that travels backward all the way back to your bumper back here. So we're just going to be removing from bumper all the way up to this flange right here. So with this kit comes the pipe. It's got an OEM flange. You can keep the same gasket. It'll fit any Tacoma model from SR all the way to TRD Pro. This comes standard on the Trail Hunter. So basically what we're doing is we're just putting a Trail Hunter exhaust tip on this. This will dump it straight down right before the axle, so that'll get rid of all of our clearance issues in the rear. Let's get it thrown on. Alrighty, so some of the benefits of that pipe over our OEM tailpipe here. The trail off-road pipe that we just put on weighs less than 2 pounds, as well as only being less than a foot long. In addition to that, runs you about $100. And aesthetically, you get a lot more ground clearance, as well as it looks great without this exhaust pipe here. You do get a little bit of sound difference as well, which we'll go into, give it a start in a moment, as well as a couple revs just to show you the difference here. But as you can see, relocating our spare paired with this this off-road pipe here, you can get a lot more ground clearance. You're going over a big obstacle, you don't want to scrape on your spare tire or on your exhaust. The lowest thing then will be the trailer hitch, which is significantly higher off the ground than your spare or your exhaust pipe. So let's go ahead and give it a start, see how it sounds. Alright, so that has been the install of our TRD off-road trail pipe here. Pretty straightforward install. Definitely something you could do at home if you're interested in doing. As always, if you're not interested in doing that yourself, we're perfectly capable of putting it in here. Feel free to bring it on into Ed Martin Toyota. We'll get it installed for you, as well as many other aftermarket and OEM accessories. Feel free to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.